Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we will be doing questions 30 through 34 of the 2022 Math State Exam for 3rd grade. So let's get started. For question 30, it says, which fraction is less than 1/4? So for this question, you need to find the least common multiple of all of the denominators of the answer choices, and then you need to convert them. So the least common denominator of all of these would be 24. And after you convert all of the fractions, you can tell that the only fraction that is less than 1/4 would be 1/6. So D is the correct answer for number 30. Let's move on to the next question. For question 31, it says Mika has 35 gumballs. He gives all of them to 7 friends. Each friend gets the same number of gumballs. Which expression can be used to find the number of gumballs Mika gives each friend? So if he's giving 35 gumballs to 7 friends, that means he has to divide it among his 7 friends. So we have to use division in this case, and the only answer choice that has division is 35 divided by 7, which is B. Let's move on to the next question. For question 32, it says the figure below is made up of unit squares. Some of the unit squares are shaded and some of the unit squares are unshaded. Which process describes one way to find the area in square units of the shaded part of the figure? So first you have to look at the key, because sometimes they can trick you with that and make 1 square equal to 5 square units when you assume that it's just 1. So here you can see that 1 square is equal to 1 square unit. And to find the area is the space that a two-dimensional shape takes up. So in this case, it would not be finding the lengths of the sides around the square. I'm sorry guys, that took a bit of time for me to process. So we can already tell that C and D are wrong, because C and D talk about perimeter, since you're counting up the side lengths. And counting up all of the unit squares in the entire figure, we have to find the shaded part of the figure. So counting all the unit squares in the entire figure would just give us the area of the entire figure and not the shaded part. And then we're left with B, which is to count only the unit squares that are shaded in the figure, which is correct. So B is the correct answer for this problem. Let's move on to the next question. For question 33, it says, the number line below shows a point. Which equivalent fraction is represented by the location of the point on the number line? So we have a number line between 0 and 1, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tick marks. And the dot is on the 4th tick mark, so the fraction is 4 out of 6. And we're supposed to find an equivalent fraction. And it's not 1/3, it is 2/3, because 4/6 is equal to 2/3. You just divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. It's not C or D either. So the answer choice for number 33 is B. Pretty simple problem. Let's move on to question 34. So for question 34, it's a little bit different. It's a short response, so you have to actually show work here and find an answer yourself. 3 classes are on a field trip at the zoo. The number of students in each class is listed below. Class A has 24 students, Class B has 23 students, and Class C has 25 students. At the zoo, all the students are placed into 8 equal groups. How many students are in each group? So when we're talking about all of the students, we have to add up Class A, Class B, and Class C. And you get 72 students in all. And then to find how many students are in each group, you just divide the number of students by the number of groups. So 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So there's 9 students in each group. Alright everyone, that was all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so I can continue making videos reviewing over the state exams. And I hope you have a good day. I will see you in the next one. Bye!